Good grief. Here we go again. Another snowstorm. Just doesn't seem to want to end.
Well, April the 5th, another snowstorm rolled through, came through, started on April the 4th to April the 5th, loaded again. The only difference between this snowstorm and the last snowstorm is the heaviness. The other stuff is a lot fluffier. This stuff here is heavier than a 600-pound guy at a all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet. Luckily, he's got me by a couple 100 pounds. But the never-ending struggle to clear all the damn snow off the damn vehicles for New Hampshire in drain cleaning in the winter still sucks. Absolutely sucks. Got the all-wheel drive van out of there. Now I gotta get the non-all-wheel drive van through this crapola. Just recently had this one all repaired, had the subframe done, had all the brakes redone, shifter redone, clear coat, oil change, all that fun stuff. So this one's back in action again, all ready to go. But I got to get it through all of that. And the other stuff was fluffy the last time, so will it come out? We'll find out. Every damn step in winter sucks. You know? Yeah. It's like a friggin' milk pudding. It's disgusting. Let's get over to the door. Yay. Check it out. Whiteout conditions. Fucking wipers. Loosened up, but I gotta tighten them back up so they won't move. Letting the old van warm up a little bit before I move it. You know what? When you're one person and you have two vans, you know what the most common saying is when you get inside the other van? Oh shit, there it is, I was looking for that. Anytime you need something, it's always in the opposite van. Just how it rolls. I saw the other truck. There it comes. What do you think of all this snow?
Time to sell everything. Move west.
Move west? There's no fucking water out there.
There's no snow.
You either go from I'm gonna freeze my ass off and keep removing snow out of here to oh my god, it's so hot out there and there's no water to drink.
There's no snow, but it's not good.
Palm trees. Definitely palm trees.
Do you want me to park behind you?
Yeah. As long as I can get that thing by, but yeah. Fun.
It's in the garage.
Hey, I see you. What are you doing? Yeah, it definitely is yucky, buddy.
All this yucky.
It's all yucky. Yucky like cookie. Yep.
Yep, gotta stand push it. Come on. Go inside.
season to not be plowing. Fa ha 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 ha. Yes, the groundhog lied again. Fa la 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 ha 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 ha. Oh, you know, hopefully this is the last one. Little guys watching in there. Now look at that, we got some sun peeking out right there. It's like the creepy eye watching me plow the snow. And just 2 storms. Look at this wall. Bye, creepy eye. But it's supposed to hit mid-50s next week. And honestly, it's not that bad outside today. It's not like cold. It's probably like 34 degrees, but somehow it's still snowing. It just doesn't want to give it up. Nice mountain view down there. Town. Had Micum excavation, not Micum, elevated excavation come up and clear all this main road and everything for us. Make it a little bit easier because it was heavier. I'll leave a link down there for them. The only thing is it's kind of soft underneath all this. So I gotta be careful, I don't want to rough it up. It's gonna be a horrible mud season. It's gonna be absolutely terrible with all the melt off. I was just starting to see the front of the bike bucket. But snow came and took that away. I see you in the window still watching. Alright, so let's mosey on down the road, see what the condition of that is, see if I got to take care of the mailbox area there. Stuff. On a medium so we can go down there a little faster. Everything's melting off of there good. Check the condition of the road. See what we got to do with that. That's scary. It needs work. Anybody want a tractor? Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it's really soft right here. So I doubt I'm going to be plowing that. See some spin out right there. Doing that. It's supposed to warm up a little bit. I got water building up on that, so I kind of don't want to touch that. I might push along some of that right there in the front. can't really do anything with it. So I'm kind of come down into this gully here, push that all into there. That way when it melts, at least it goes down into the gullies. Hopefully it melts off quick. Looks like there's enough residual heat from the just the ground itself to help thaw this shit out. Come down here, look around, see what we got. Looks like we got some rutting going on slightly over here on that side. Probably gonna have to push something over to that ditch over there to help direct water when the shit melts. Yeah. A little bit of running there. We'll just kind of grade right over that a little bit. Go over into here. Just to try to push some of that water when it does melt. That's gross. Looks like I gotta clean up the mail area a little bit. Yeah. Push the mailbox open. Clear this spot out here so the mailman can drive in without getting stuck. Park. Go back into low. I think it's supposed to stay above freezing tonight. I don't know. Hopefully it does. Just a little bit so we don't tear the ground. Yeah, it's heavy. It's definitely heavy. We'll have this up with enough just for the mailman to get in there, squeak in there, do his delivery. Soft. Don't want to push too much. But he can get in there now. Go all the way back up the hill. Guys thinking of the spring so far? peak. Not as bad. This morning we got like another 2 inches on top of everything else. I think we got about 18 inches total out of this one. So that was 2 storms basically back to back within a week. Said hopefully this is the last of it. Hopefully it's all behind us. But yeah, you can see how soft all that is. So, what are we running here? Kioti 3510 or something like that. This thing is HST. 72-inch plow box in the front. I think I got what they call Agala chains, which are these. Heavy studded. Highly recommend those because this is kind of a steep driveway. Some of my friends know what this driveway is a real pain in the ass to get up. It can wash out relatively easy. It's worthless to pave because there's so much groundwater underneath it. It would just destroy it anyways, so just throw dirt on it and pack it back down the best we can. Drag it with the box braid. ATVs with old fencing to drag on there to smooth it out. Certain times of the year you could do some work as long as it dries out, but for the next couple months it's all going to be muddy as hell. You got to figure just with the melt off that's inside here, all the melt off from the water that's going to run down the hills, not including if we get any rain. So definitely expecting a heavier mud season this year. So I don't know, it's what's worse. Is it mud season that's worse? Is it winter that's worse? Both suck. I mean, I'll leave it up to you in the comments to say if you do the same thing I do. So there's that rutting. We're coming back up on the other side. I'll show you that. Coming by here, you can see how it's just saturated. Can't push this stuff. I gotta let the ground absorb it and kind of hope for the best. Is there a windmill up there in the distance? Water supply shed is up that way, so no one really goes up there that much. In case anybody's wondering what that. City goes up there every now and then. Hikers go up there every now and then. Salt box. You gotta have salt here, which sucks because then you gotta rots out your vehicle. Like I was saying, in my older van on the other side in front of that truck, I ended up having to replace the subframe, and the brakes are completely rotted out. Unbelievable how bad it was. Vehicles don't last that long here. I had this one undercoated. I'm gonna get that one undercoated this spring, get something done with it, try to prolong it some. But yeah, basically what it's like to live up here in northern New Hampshire, running a drain cleaning company. Is it rewarding? No. Do I make a lot of money doing this? No. Looks like I do, but I don't. Just like everybody else, you just buy something and hope the phone keeps ringing. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you out there. Hopefully we can get some more videos done.
Hopefully that's the last of winter.